Hello everyone, this is Anita C. So right now I am at the Westin Hotel in Yilan, which is about 2 hours away from Taipei. We came here like a flash trip for a long weekend. So we just want to come here to enjoy the hot spring, which is quite popular here. And we have booked the Westin Resort in Yilan. So this is a deluxe studio king suite, and I'm going to give you a very quick room tour. So you can see there's a divider, using the divider and the TV to separate kind of the bedroom and the living room. Okay, so I will show you the design because actually the hot bath and the bathroom is actually quite present. So when I walk in here, you can see on my that is left, okay, is the wardrobe, and they do have iron board. They do have bathrobes as well as safe deposit box and slippers. So and hangers. So we're going to be staying here for 2 nights for the long weekend, and then they have space for the luggage, and then they have the Nespresso capsule coffee machine, the kettle, the tea, the coffee mug, and then the mini bar. I do think the mini bar is chargeable, although I cannot find the price right now, but I think it's chargeable. And then with the glasses and everything. And the water is complimentary, and the coffee and tea is complimentary. Okay, and then just quickly, this is a king bed room, with the heavenly mattress, which Westin Hotel is famous for, and the pillows and everything. And you can see we're on the 3rd floor, which is the highest floor. So actually, it's very high ceiling. So very nice up here. Okay, and let me move. There's a welcome card from the hotel and some welcome gift, which is like Taiwan delicacies, snacks. Okay, the silver is a little bit dated, and the fixture is a little bit dated, but the facility itself is okay. The room size and everything. And what is amazing and what we are here for is for the hot spring. So actually the room itself has the hot spring here that you will love, but we have also booked a private hot bath, hot spring room at the hotel because we want to see if there's any difference. And but for all the suites, there is the hot spring bath inside your room, a private bath inside your room. Okay, then here, another bathroom, double say. And in Taiwan, because of government regulation, they don't have any amenities like toothbrush, even shower cap, whatever. You have to purchase it or bring it on your own. So they did email it to me to tell me that. And that is okay. And that's the hair dryer. Okay. And then this is the body lotion. And this is the toilet, the Japanese style. Okay. And then you can even sit on the bench. Okay, so this is the shower room with the stand-up shower, rain shower. Okay, and then you can actually get in and out from the hot spring bath that I just mentioned and go right into the shower room. So again, this is more like a wellness and detox holiday for us, and we are here for the hot spring. So this is what we're going to enjoy. And other than the room, we have booked the room plus the dinner, which is really like the Japanese onsen experience. That we'll be going to the Japanese restaurant Mai for a kaiseki dinner tonight. So I will show you everything, and then breakfast is also included. So anyway, so this is the quick room tour. and we are getting prepared to the private bath. And then they do have the club lounge for 5 to 7 for some drinks, and I will share with you as well. So just please continue to follow me and watch it to see if you like this wonderful resort in Yilan, which is a great choice other than Taipei if you're traveling to Taiwan.哦，很简单。
对，那这样他就会自己做。
哦，OK。
赤海银叶针，下面白色那一块的话是用豆腐跟山药做寿司，旁边的是无花果跟茶叶，它那个腌萝卜跟刺猬骨。那这个春卷面包的是马铃薯跟虾子，旁边有炸虾、无花果、桑叶。